Hi, Tony here. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a Volkswagen Rabbit MK1 born in USA and reborn in Mexico. Most of the parts that you are going to see can be found in our website. So give a click, make a wish list. We ship worldwide since 2010. So let's begin. Front corner turn lights, headlights, diesel, bumper turn lights, early model and European model. The badge for the grille, black or chrome. The grille with red trim or chrome trim. The front lip, small or big. The clips for the grille. This little grommet. Coolant tank, coolant cap, trunk ray, wiper arms, wiper hose, bulb cover with the seal, lower hood lock, upper hood lock, foot bumps, front windscreen seal, door handle seal, indoor and outdoor scraper seal, front channel seal and upper channel seal, gas cap, tail light, license plate light, rear small bumper, trunk lock, seal for the trunk lock, rear speaker shelf, the trunk mat or trunk carpet for the Rabbit and the Jetta, door locks, door knobs, door seal, mirror button, window cranks, lock box lock, with or without key, button seat, frame seat, the complete hardware kit for the seat, the slips for the headrest, sun visors, vinyl and upholstery, gear knob in different colors, gear leather boot. Oh, it's missing. Okay. We also have the leather boot for the handbrake. Sun visor support in black or white. Hazard switch. Light switch. Upper handle and rear handle in white or black. Door pins and door seals, trims. pedal rollers, and the door switch rubbers. The antenna in black or chrome. We also have salvage parts, so if we can help you to finish your project, let us know. See you.